Hello, welcome. So the first thing I'd like you to do today is open up your exercise books. Can you please put today's date in the top right hand corner and underline it? And then the title for today is Digital Citizenship Lesson 1. Your first task then is to do this activity where you can make the following passwords stronger. So write your answer in your book. So how can we make the word password stronger? How can we make the word Arsenal a stronger password? The word unicorn a stronger password? And the word Passmos a stronger password. Pause the video now and complete that activity in your books. So what we're looking through now today is to be able to understand what is meant by digital citizenship and to be able to explore what it means to be a digital citizen. So the question is, what is the internet? So we're going to start with an activity to get you thinking about the internet. Write the answer in your books to these three questions. How big is the internet? What different types of things can you use the internet for? And then I'd like you to have a quick look online, see if you can find out who created the internet and when it was created. Additional points as well for those who can tell me why it was first created. Pause the video now. Once you've done that task, come on back. So welcome back. Hopefully we've got the answers to those questions. So again, just to recap, we're going to be looking at digital citizenship. In this unit, we're going to learn about the technology we use and how to stay safe while using it. We're going to come up with some rules and guidelines to help us stay safe and act responsibly when using the internet. And we're going to be studying the topic of digital citizenship. We're going to be working towards completing our digital citizenship passport. So on the passport there's going to be 6 stamps. First one will be digital safety and security. Second one will be digital etiquette. Then digital rights and responsibilities, digital commerce, digital footprint, and digital health and well-being. And in order to pass this unit, to get the passport, you need to have proven that you've earned the badge in each of these 6 areas. So these 6 stamps again will be put into your digital passport. So before we get started, what is a digital citizen? So if it's got you thinking, so think per share. If you're at home, maybe you can talk with a family member, but write your ideas down in the book. What do you think the word citizenship means? And then use a dictionary and compare your ideas to what the dictionary said. So in your book, write down what the word citizenship means. Then you can use an online dictionary. If you've got a dictionary as part of your resources, go and have a look and see what that word means. Did it mean what you thought it did? And how was it different? So citizenship, according to the Cambridge Dictionary, is a state of being a member of a particular country and having rights because of it. The state of living in a particular area or town and behaving in a way that other people who live there expect of you. So this is what citizenship is. Okay, which statements here are important? So what I'd like you to do, please, is to copy that definition out and to highlight the words or the parts of it, the sections of it that you think are important. Again, have a think per share with those at home. How can we change this so it's a definition of a digital citizen? So once you've highlighted the important parts, I'd like you to write out your own definition now using this of what a digital citizen is. If you can, pause the video there, make sure that you've got that work done. Once it's done, come back and move on. Hi, welcome back. So we're going to be looking at what a digital citizenship looks like. So what does a good digital citizenship look like? So you've got a video to watch, which we're going to play in a moment for you. And then after that, there's going to be a worksheet for you to complete. And that worksheet will be attached on Microsoft Teams. So if you go to Teams and go to the channel, you should be able to open that up and complete the worksheet on there. But let's have a look at this YouTube video and watch it.
We, the digital citizens, with our hands up in the air, Pledge to travel safely when we click from here to there. If you want to see the world, you don't always need a plane, a giant yellow school bus, or a noisy train. You just need the internet and something with a screen to see a different country or a pretty ocean scene. If you've ever seen a sloth or a pick of Angry Sue, just go online and check them out. Remember what to do. Always ask a grown-up before you go online. It's good to set a limit and keep track of your time. That's right. Keep your info private like your name and your address. And always find a grown-up if you're scared or you're stressed. If you want to see the world, you don't always need a plane, a giant yellow school bus, or a noisy train. You just need the internet and something with a screen to play an awesome puzzle game or watch a soccer team. So go online and check them out. Remember what to do, to do, to do, to do. Always pause and think when visiting a site. Only talk to friends you know and never start a fight. It's fun to have a screen to laugh and play with friends, but if it's nice, go outside and find the rainbow's end. If you want to see the world, you don't always need a plane, a giant yellow school bus, or a noisy train. You just need the internet and something with a screen to be a part of something great, whatever you can dream. Remember that you took this pledge to be your best online. So stick with the Dig Citizens, and together, you will shine.
So now that we've watched that, I'd like you to go away now and complete that worksheet. When you're done, come on back. So pause the video now, complete the worksheet, and then come on back. So for a digital citizen, we can see how we can use our eyes, our head, our heart, our voice, our feet, and our hands. Now that we've seen this graphic, have a quick read of it. And what I'd like you to do is to add any information that's not on your one from this to your one now, please. So pause the video now and then come back. So now that we've done that, the final thing for today that I'd like you to do is to complete this digital habits survey. So the link's going to be on Show My Homework, and the link will be on Microsoft Teams. You only need to fill it in once, but click on that link and fill in that survey. So the final thing from today then, in your exercise books, write down 5 ways that you could be a good digital citizen. So last task for today, in your exercise book, write down 5 ways that you could be a good digital citizen. Once that's done, the lesson's finished. Thank you very much. Hopefully you've enjoyed the opening lesson to our digital citizenship unit. I look forward to seeing the amazing work that you guys have done. Take care.